Welcome to AminAcademy.com and Cambridge International A and AS level mathematics regarding trigonometry, double angle formula, combined form we will discuss now. Here it is in the form of r sine theta plus alpha and r sine r cos theta plus alpha. R cos theta plus or minus alpha, here also plus or minus alpha. That means double angle formula is used here to combine in the short form of r sin theta plus or minus alpha and r cos theta plus or minus alpha. Consider the equation a sin theta plus b cos theta equal c. It's a general form. We have to find this as a single expression, like let r sin theta plus alpha, positive you are taking, let it be this equal r into sin theta into cos alpha plus cos theta into sin alpha. That means sin a plus b formula, which is equal sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now comparing the coefficients, which is equal, look at here, r for example, generally you can write 4 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Consider this as r into sin theta cos alpha plus cos theta into sin alpha. That means you are giving the value for this 4 as cos alpha and this 3 as sin alpha. Now comparing the coefficients, we can see 4 equal r into cos alpha. That means look at here for coefficient of sine is 4, here coefficient of sine is r cos alpha. Like that, coefficient of cos theta, which is equal 3 equal r sin alpha. Now by using this combination, we can write squaring both sides, we have r squared equal 4 squared, 4 squared is 16, 4 squared equal r squared cos squared alpha, here 3 squared equal r squared sin squared alpha. Adding both sides, we have 4 squared plus 3 squared equal r squared cos squared alpha plus sin squared alpha. Here 4 squared plus 3 squared equals 16 plus 9 is 25 equal r squared cos squared plus sin squared is 1. Therefore r equal square root of 25, let us take positive side, is 5. From this expression, look at here. Now consider this right triangle with alpha. Here this is 5. sine here, look at here, sine is opposite by hypotenuse and cos is adjacent by hypotenuse 4 over 5. Now from this, sine alpha equal 3 over 5 and cos alpha equal 4 over 5. From this we can say that from here we can see alpha is sine inverse of 3 over 5, which is equal cos inverse of 4 over 5, which gives the value approximate 36.9 degrees. Now we got a alpha values. Therefore, our expression can be written as A sine theta plus B sine B cos theta is equal R sine theta plus alpha, where alpha we have to use it 36.9 degrees. Similarly, for use of cos, that means look at here, this expression that we are using, suppose in terms of cos, look at here. Generally, you can use it like that. A cos theta, A cos theta, B sin theta can be expressed in the form of R cos theta minus beta. So this also, suppose previously we are using A sin theta plus B cos theta is in terms of R sin theta plus alpha. Similarly, A cos theta plus B sin theta can be expressed in terms of cos, equal R cos theta minus beta. Similarly, we are using A values, B values, and for that we get the general expression of given values A and B and cos theta sin theta is in this form. For example, we'll do an example, you can understand this concept. Express root 3 sin theta minus cos theta in the form of R sin theta minus alpha form, where R is greater than 0 as well, 0 lesser than alpha lesser than pi by 2. Will express as, look at here, R sin theta minus alpha, which is equal R into You know that sin A minus B is sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta sin alpha. Now comparing the coefficients, that is, we are using we are given is root 3 sin theta minus cos theta. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta, which is equal here root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1, therefore we can find it r first. R we'll write as it is first, sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta sin alpha, which implies that here r equal to square root of root 3 square plus 1 square is equal square root of 4 is 2. And then here coefficient of sin theta is root 3, square root of sin theta is r cos alpha. Here root 3 equal to r is 2 cos alpha and root 3 r cos alpha and r sin alpha equal to 1. Now root 3 cos alpha, and here also because 2 r is 2. Then from this, dividing both sides, sin theta by cos alpha, cos sin alpha cos alpha is tan alpha is 1 over root 3. We know that 1 over root 3, that is alpha equal to tan inverse 1 over root 3, which is equal pi by 6. Now we got the angle alpha. Therefore, we can say root 3 sin alpha minus root 3 sin alpha, root 3 sin theta. Root 3 sin theta into cos theta can be expressed r sin theta minus alpha. We are substituting the values r equal to 2 sin theta minus pi by 6. Therefore, we can say root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is this expression. Like that, we can use and sin form alpha, that is a sin theta plus b cos theta, which is equal to r sin theta minus alpha in terms of cos theta minus alpha, cos theta plus alpha. Like that, regarding the problems, we can express different ways. So far we discussed this combined form of the multiple angles, means addition formula. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.